Now I show you how can we use FreeCAD for creating input files for topology optimization. You can use Blender as well. There you need to import the models then in FreeCAD, and in FreeCAD you can transform it into a solid, and after that you can use that solid for finite element analysis. So I choose FreeCAD. I create my iCube, for example. Then I go to finite element analysis. There I create on FEM new mechanical analysis and new mechanical analysis. Then I define a material here on this ball. So calculix steel, for example. Then I define some fixed constraints here on the top face and some forces acting on this edge. So, okay, now we need to define the mesh. So go to the cube, click on create FEMMF from shape. I don't need second order optimize, is okay, looks fine. And I choose here a size of 1. And that's enough for my example. Now I drop the box into the calculix mechanical analysis. I go to calculix. There I choose a file where I want to write, not a file, a directory where I want to write my my input file. So I go to test example. Okay, and write input file. Checks, write complete, finished. Now I have my file which I will use. So I think here is it. It's called in this case box mesh input. So I can test it if I go to cd, the directory of the folder, and I type ccx box mesh. And now it should work and job is finished. Okay, it looks fine. I'll rename this guy into example. Then I will go to Blender. There I have a new user interface for TrueOptics in the current version. We can define here a solver. Select the solver. So I go to my example file folder on the desktop. Then I go to TrueOptics. No, I got not a TrueOptics, test examples. And here I have the CCX file. Well, I think I need to close this guy here. I don't need it anymore. Then I select the working directory. I choose as well test example, finished. And now here, type of physics, I can use select the static one which I have created. So test example, and here I named it example imp finished.